Go the other way. Go get it. Go the other way. Go get it. It's stuck. Go get it, Bryce. It's stuck under there. There. You got it. It's fixed now. Turn it back on.
Back on. Get you.
You get me? It's gonna go forward or backwards. Oh! Go the other way. Go the other way. Go the other way, Bryce.
Hello, Grandma. You're running into me now. Running into me, boy. Here, I'm gonna take care.
Go get it, Bryce. Go get it.
I'll get it.
What is that?
It's there.
It's your car?
There. I got enough stuff for him. Woo! There! You get it right over my foot. Why do you like getting videos of that?
Why not?
Oh, you're just getting videos so you can send it off to your friends to buy one?
To buy one.
Yeah.
Oh, right in Jilly's room.
Oh, I'll go open the door so you can go.